Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download PayPal transaction history. So let's get started. So to do that, you have to follow this easy step. Then you have to go to the PayPal and then go to the manage. Then you can go to the activity and from here you can go it here. Then from here you can download and it will be like you can see download this and then it will be like done. So this is how to download PayPal transaction history transaction. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.